Me presento, soy el estudiante de la carrera de Derecho de la Universidad Virtual NSI de la ciudad de Mérida, Yucatán. Mi nombre es Gonzalo Humberto Verazosa. A continuación, presentaré mi proyecto integrador de Inglés 1. Then Emily and Daniel are sitting on table with a netbook and laptop playing birthday party. Emily, hey Daniel, are you free this weekend? Are you planning a surprise birthday party for Sarah? Daniel, oh, Tam, so amazing. What do we need to prepare? Do he have decoration? Emily, not Jim. I'm looking for some balloons and streamings only right now. Also, we need to buy some snack and drinks. Daniel, okay, how many people are coming? Emily, about 20, I think we'd invent in closet I close friends. Daniel, thank a lot. How much food we need? Emily, we'd so get some pizza, chips, and soda. Maybe a big cake too. Daniel, good day. I can bring the chips and soda, but I can bake and cake. I am terrible on baking. Emily, no problem. I am ordering cake from favorite baker. It's chocolate, white strawberries. Daniel, June don't have a music planet. Emily, not yet, but I am cream a playlist you have like to help my with that. Daniel, sure, I would love to. I can know Sarah likes pop music and reggaeton. Emily, perfect. I am can set for but too. The way every need can take font pictures. Daniel, I need this party going. Today is missing. Are you building the decoration today? Emily, yes, and I'm going. The store after lunch want to get balloons, papers, cups, and maybe some links. Daniel, green light no. You need help carrying thing. I can come with you. Emily, thanks Daniel. I really appreciate